Hello friends, welcome back to channel. Today is 28th of November 2020 and in this video we are going to see all the important current affairs from 27th and 28th of November 2020. Our first question is which of the following day is celebrated as Constitution Day in India? Answer is option number 2, 26th November. Every year 26th November is celebrated as Constitution Day in India. It is also called Samvidhan Din or National Law Day. National Law Day and is celebrated annually on 26th of November to commemorate the adoption of Constitution of India and to spread the importance of the Constitution of India and to spread thoughts and ideas of Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar. On 26th of November 1949, the Constitution of India has been adopted and it came into effect on 26th of January 1950, and the Government of India has declared 26th November as Constitution Day on 19th of November 2015 by a Gazette notification. 2015 was the 125th birth anniversary of Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar, who has chaired the drafting committee of the Constitution Assembly and played a vital role in the drafting of Constitution. Answer will be option number 3, 26th November. Second question is who has been recently elected as the new chairman of ICC? Answer is option number 1, Greg Barclay. Greg Barclay is from New Zealand. He was the director of New Zealand Cricket Board since 2012. And recently he has been elected as the new chairman of ICC. Now he will succeed India's Shashank Manohar, who has stepped down in July 2020 and will replace the Imran Khwaja, who is currently the interim chairman of ICC. Answer will be option number 1, Greg Barclay. ICC long form is International Cricket Council. It was formed on 15th of June 1909. Headquarters is in Dubai, which is in UAE, and now chairman is Greg Barclay. Third question is which of the following day is celebrated as National Milk Day in India? Answer is option number 2, 26th November. Every year 26th November is celebrated as National Milk Day in India. It is celebrated to highlight the significance of milk in everyone's life, and this day is basically observed to honor the Dr. Verghese Kurian. Dr. Verghese Kurian, who is known as the father of Indian White Revolution. Answer will be option number 2, 26th November. Also, India is the highest producer of milk in the world. Fourth question is Union Cabinet has approved the merger of Lakshmi Vilas Bank with dash. Answer is option number 1, DBS Bank. What is Lakshmi Vilas Bank? It was an Indian private sector bank established in 1926 in Kurur. Kurur is in Tamil Nadu, and as of November 2020, Lakshmi Vilas Bank has 556 branches in nearly 19 states and 1 union territory, and RBI has placed the Lakshmi Vilas Bank under moratorium on 17th of November and superseded its board and proposed the merger of the 94-year-old lender with the Indian arm of Singapore's DSB Bank, and now the Union Cabinet of India has approved the merger of Lakshmi Vilas Bank with DBS Bank India Limited. Answer will be option number 1, DBS Bank. DBS Bank, it is a Singaporean multinational and financial services corporation. It was formed on 16th of July 1968, headquarters in Singapore, and currently CEO is Piyush Gupta. Piyush Gupta is the CEO of DBS Bank. He is from India. Next question is which of the following country has the highest rate of bribery in Asia according to a recent report published by Transparency International. Transparency International, it is a German non-governmental organization founded in 1993 and headquarters is in Berlin. And this Transparency International works to end the injustice of corruption by promoting transparency, accountability and integrity. And recently Transparency International has published a report called Global Corruption Barometer, and according to this report, India has the highest rate of bribery and use of personal links to access public services such as healthcare and education in Asia. India has the highest overall bribery rate, which is nearly 39%, and the highest rate of citizens using personal connections, which is nearly 46%. Following India, Indonesia and China have second and third highest rates of people using personal connections respectively. Answer will be option number 1, India. Sixth question is, who has been elected as the new Speaker of Bihar Assembly? Answer is option number 1, Vijay Kumar Sinha. Recently, Vijay Kumar Sinha has been elected as the new Speaker of Bihar Assembly. He was elected through a voice vote, and Vijay Kumar got nearly 126 votes, while Mahagathbandhan candidate Awadh Bihari Chaudhary got nearly 114 votes. Answer will be option number 1, Vijay Kumar Sinha. Bihar, this is Bihar, capital is Patna, governor is Fagu Chauhan, and chief minister of Bihar is Nitish Kumar. Next question is, which of the following state government has launched Him Suraksha Abhiyan recently? Answer is option number 2, Himachal Pradesh. Recently, the chief minister of Himachal Pradesh, Jairam Thakur, has launched Him Suraksha Abhiyan, a door-to-door campaign in the state to ensure safety of people against COVID-19, and this campaign has been started from 15th of November and will last till December 27, 2020. Answer will be Himachal Pradesh. Himachal Pradesh capital is Shimla, governor is Bandaru Dattatray, and chief minister of Himachal Pradesh is Jai Ram Thakur. Eighth question is, PNB MetLife India Insurance Company has collaborated with which of the following organization to launch Pradhan Mantri Jeevan Jyoti Bima Yojana? Answer is option number 4, India Post Payment Bank. What is PNB MetLife India Insurance Company? It is one of the leading life insurance companies in India, present since 2001. And recently, PNB MetLife Insurance Company has collaborated with India Payment Post Bank to launch Pradhan Mantri Jeevan Jyoti Bima Yojana. India Payment Post Bank, it is also called IPPB. It is a public sector payment bank of India operated by Indian Post. It was founded on 1st of September 2018. Headquarters is in New Delhi, and currently MD and CEO of India Post Payment Bank is J. Venkatramu. Next question is, who has been awarded with Lal Bahadur Shastri National Award 2020 recently? Answer is option number 1, Sudha Murthy. Recently, Sudha Murthy has been awarded with Lal Bahadur Shastri National Award 2020. Sudha Murthy is an engineering teacher, Kannada, Marathi and English author, as well as a social worker. She is also the chairperson of the Infosys Foundation, and she has also been awarded with India's 4th highest civilian award called Padma Shri, and now she has been awarded with Lal Bahadur Shastri National Award 2020 for her outstanding philanthropic work. Answer will be option number 1, Sudha Murthy. Lal Bahadur Shastri. Lal Bahadur Shastri was an Indian politician who served as the second Prime Minister of India from 1964 to 1966, and Lal Bahadur Shastri National Award is an annual prestigious award instituted by Lal Bahadur Shastri Institute of Management, Delhi. It consists of a cash award of 5 lakhs rupees and a citation. It was started in 1999 and is provided to a business leader, management practitioner, public administrator, educator or institution builder for his or her sustained individual contribution for achievement of high professional order and excellence, and this award is given by President of India every year. Answer will be option number 1. 10th question is, India International Cherry Blossom Festival is associated with which of the following cities? Answer option number 2, Shillong. Shillong is the capital of Meghalaya, and India International Cherry Blossom Festival is an annual festival of Shillong, and recently in 2020 it has been cancelled due to COVID-19. Answer will be option number 2. Now we will quickly revise the questions of our last video. Our first question was, 12th annual BRICS Summit has been held in November 2020 by Russia recently. Who has represented India in it? Answer is option number 2, Narendra Modi. Second question was, which state cabinet has approved to create Vijayanagar district as its 31st district? Answer is option number 1, Karnataka. Third question is, which of the following central bank has become the first in world to reach 1 million followers on Twitter? Answer is RBI, option number 1. Fourth question was, which of the following state government has launched Abhayam app for the safety of women traveling by auto and taxi? Answer is option number 1, Andhra Pradesh. Fifth question was, who among the following has recently launched Sentinel-6 satellite to monitor global rising sea level? Answer is option number 2, NASA. NASA is an American space agency. Sixth question is, which of the following state government has launched Maha Awas Yojana? Answer is option number 2, Maharashtra. Seventh question was, Tarun Gogai has recently died at the age of 77. He was the former chief minister of Dash. Answer is option number 1, Assam. Eighth question was, SITMAX 20 A trilateral naval exercise of India, Thailand, and Singapore has been recently concluded in dash. Answer is option number 2, Andaman Sea. Ninth question was, which of the following institution has developed a new digital application called Ananda? Answer is LIC India. And 10th question was, which of the following day is celebrated as World Philosophy Day annually? Answer is option number 1, 19th November. And 11th question was, what is the minimum age limit for players to play in international cricket as per minimum age policy introduced by ICC? Answer is option number 3, 15th. These were the questions asked in our last video. Now answer of the question which is asked in last video. Question was, the book titled A Promised Land has been written by dash. Answer is option number 1, Barack Obama. The book titled A Promised Land has been written by former president of United States, Barack Obama. Now today's question is, which of the following day is celebrated as World Science Day annually? Options are 8th November, 9th November, 10th November, and 11th November. If you know answer of this question, you can write it in the comment section below, or we will discuss this question in the next video.